Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today I'll be drawing Vegeta beyond Super Saiyan Blue. So today's drawing is gonna be a quite challenging one because there will be a lot to color. There's gonna be a lot of detailings and the pose of the character is also not a simple one. He is in a fighting stance, and as we all know, this is the new form of Vegeta beyond Super Saiyan Blue, which we saw in the DBS series. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the materials we'll be using for drawing this sketch. So first of all, we'll need a perfect square of 4 centimeters each side to start off the drawing by drawing his face inside the box. And for materials, I'm using a 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching, an electric eraser for more precise erasing, 2 Copic Multiliners for inking. First is 0.05 Copic Multiliner for inking thin lines, mainly for inking his facial features and the random scratches all over his body, and 0.1 Copic Multiliner for inking remaining body and thick lines, a white pen for giving highlights to our drawing, a charcoal eraser for erasing pencil lines after inking and also for dust-free erasing, some Copic sketch markers for coloring our drawing, and finally a white Prisma color pencil which has become quite small now because I've used it a lot of times. But we will be using this for giving highlights and detailings after finishing coloring, and that is all we need for drawing this sketch. I'm really excited to draw Vegeta's new form, so without wasting any more time, let's get started.
watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand, open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the trees, holding
and our drawing is complete. I am so surprised and shocked right now with the results. It's looking so beautiful. I am so happy with the results. I can't really explain it in words. For me, I think this has become my most favorite DBS drawing so far. I enjoyed this drawing so much. It was a challenging drawing, like I mentioned earlier, especially with the coloring. Coloring the aura was the biggest challenge in this drawing. I think it took me more than 3 hours to color the aura. I used only Copic markers for coloring and did a lot of blending. I used around 9 to 10 different Copic markers in blue shades just to color the aura. And for coloring it, I started with the darkest blue shade from the outside, and slowly I moved on to inside to the lighter blue shades. First I assembled all the colors on the paper, then after all the colors were there, I started blending them and adding more and more layers. And after adding a lot of layers and a lot of blending, I moved on to my white Prisma color pencil and gave those sparkling effects. I'm also very happy with his hair. I think it turned out really sharp and neat. I have always loved Vegeta and drawing him is always fun. I was planning to make it a tutorial video, but because there is so much detailing and so much work in this drawing, it would become a very long video. So I ended up making it a speed drawing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, drop a like and share this video with your friends so that more and more people can draw this and watch this video. And yes, brace yourself for the first ever drawings from my subscriber video on my channel, which is coming up next. So it's gonna be in next week, probably on Wednesday. So be there on Wednesday. It's gonna be really awesome. I am really excited to make this video. I have received a lot of drawings to share with you. You guys are so amazing, and if you are still not part of the channel yet, then hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. And make sure to follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Ayush Pencil Art to get my daily updates. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.